This is your video for your human rights one-pager, so the summative that has been for your human rights work. You are going to teach others about one of the 30 articles of human rights that you think is the most important. Keeps going on that critical thinking skill we've been working on of identifying and defining problems. If you can define insightful problems that are relevant to a group of people, that means you have got it. So through this one-pager. Your task is to create a one-pager that teaches others about the article of human rights that you think is the most important. So part one, you're going to think about the articles that you think are the most important, look through the activities you have done, or one of these versions of the UDHR. And then number three, the most important thing really, identify your top 3 choices of articles of human rights, and in class we will decide and determine what articles people are doing. Part 2, let me see if I can make that all fit there. Yep, alright, sorry. Part 2, where you're going to actually do the thing. Number 1, research and take notes on your article. You need information. Use this Human Rights Resources document to find your specific article and or your own research from it. So this is a document that has a table with information about general resources about the United Nations, and then the whole Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the 30 articles. There are a ton of different resources here. And then past that, alright, excuse me, sorry. This box is, so we have resources on the United Nations in general. This column, this box, has articles 1 through 30 on the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, so what that is. And then resources on articles 1 through 30. And as we move along, check back for your specific article boxes because there may be more specific individualized resources there for you. Number 3, take notes. You need information from at least 3 sources. As a reminder, a source is a website, an article, a video, a podcast, an interview, an infographic, a picture, but Google searches are not sources. There are some note-taking templates available for you if that will support you. Number 4, you need to list your sources. You don't need to fully cite them, but you do need to list them. I would recommend fully citing them because it's good practice, especially if you are hoping to take some more intensive classes or move on to a trade school, tech school, college, something like that. This is to help cite your sources if you do that. Number 5 has what your one-pager needs to include. So research from at least 3 sources, source citations or a source list. What needs to be on your one-pager specifically, numbers 1 through 8 down here. Number 6 has suggestions for what your one-pager could include to be more thorough, really make those connections, and really identify and describe that problem that's related to your article of human right. And number 7 has suggestions for how you can do your one-pager. Actually, remember to create your one-pager, recommendations for digital or paper. You can do it either way. And then the last thing here is just a link to that slideshow that has a bunch of different examples for what one-pagers are. So that is your project.